Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sonia the Scientist. This is my second video. Today I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh at home. This is the kind of Play-Doh that you can find at stores, and you can play with it and do everything with it, like make shapes and everything, but these are from stores. I'm going to show you how to make your own, but any color that you like. So you see, I put some flour inside the beaker. So now we're gonna add some lotion, about like this in the spoon. So we're gonna try filling it all up to the top. So it might get a little like more sticked up. And sometimes you might need to use your hands, but it will be messy, so yeah. And I have an example of what I made at my friend's house to show you. Wow, this is going fast over here. And after this, we're gonna add some food coloring. There you go. Now I'm gonna have to mix it up with my hands. There you go. Nice and mixed up. You have to get it all around the corners and on the sides, everywhere. Everywhere. Okay, there. Now you're gonna add some food color. Let's add the color purple. You can use any color you want. You can just use purple. You can use any color that you want. It doesn't mean like you have to use purple. And you just want a little bit, and you might want to be careful with food coloring. And don't let childs use it use Play-Doh if you're under like 3. So don't let childs use that because they might eat it. And sometimes it just sticks around your hand, so you can just like take the Play-Doh and like just take it out all of your hands. I think we're gonna add a little bit more. Okay, I think I added a little bit. Just a little bit. And make sure to make it nice and like mixed. It's better if you use like the other ones. Not other colors, but kind of the exact same one, but different shape containers. You can also use like those powder ones where you can put liquid in it. Yeah. Sometimes it just gets all sticky around your hands. And make sure to get all the corners and edges everywhere. Sometimes it's hard, but you're good. And just try your best. Okay, I think we need a little bit more lotion. So, just a little bit more. Or maybe I added a ton. We spilled. That's okay. And if you're using food coloring, if you're under like 6, ask an adult to help you. So, yeah. I think we need more food coloring for this. Sometimes just, yeah. Now just, you see it looks kind of messy, but it's okay. You can wash it all off. It looks like we're gonna need a bit more. Keep mixing. go. Let's see. It smells like Play-Doh. Sometimes you just have to mix it up really good. Where's the spoon? Here it is. Just like mix it up really good. Sometimes it works with the spoon, sometimes it works with your hands. I mean, what's the difference? It's basically the same thing, but I don't know what's wrong with it. So, yeah. I'll put my spoon right there. Ah, I got stuck. Just like keep mixing it really good. Mix, 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 mix. This is getting better and better how it should feel like. We're gonna add a little bit more purple. Or maybe I accidentally added too much. Just a little bit. But don't do the mistake like how I did. I accidentally put too much, but it's okay. I might need it. I'm just gonna, yeah. I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. Probably light purple then dark purple, because look at this, it's dark purple. Even you can see the like cap, it's dark purple. Hopefully it turns out dark purple. And we're gonna add a little more. You know what? No, we're gonna add a little bit more. Little bit more. Food coloring. Yep, it's turning out good now. Yeah, it's starting to look good. More like slime, kinda. If you have no idea what that is, check out like these stores where it'll say slime, and then they're really fun to play with. And remember, the child which is under 3 cannot play with Play-Doh. So don't give it to anyone under 3. Sometimes it just gets all sticky and everywhere. I have a better one like this that I made. It's right over there. I'll get it for you. It's in the plastic bag. I don't think I should take it out because my hands might ruin it. I'll show you in the end. Okay. We're gonna try making this not even more stickier. Maybe we should add a little bit more of flour because I think we added too much. There you go. Make sure to use it in a container because then it might fall, so like how I did. Yeah, when you add more flour in this, it be way better. I'm going to put mine down and try getting some with my hands and try just mixing them up. But mix, mix, mix. Sometimes it gets messy, sometimes it doesn't. Hopefully your guys's looks good better than mine's. I don't know if this will turn out good or not. Oh, there you go. Kind of like slime. Yay, we just made slime. But this is actually Play-Doh. Okay, now it's better. Yeah, there you go, it's done. But we need a little bit more food coloring. Just a little bit, or maybe a lot bit. There, that's a lot. Because the color, sometimes when you use that food coloring, it doesn't go that well. So sometimes you just have to use more and more. Yeah, now it's going to be really good. We just have to bring it in the shape, like how it should really feel like. Yeah, there you go. It's good. It's actually going like how it should go. Let me take a little bit from a powder here. And then we're done. Just mix it up a little. Mix, mix, mix. I'm going to try getting all the powder from down here so we could use it. Because I don't want to waste powder. Like flour. I just call it powder. But the real name is flowers. Yeah, when you add flour, it's just more lighter. Since I added too much, I wanted it lighter. Yeah, now it's getting off my hands. Perfect. Now if you just let it go a little bit dry, it will work. Just a little bit. Oh, it's going so stretchy. We made slime. Even if it's supposed to be Play-Doh. I think it's going to turn out Play-Doh, but it just works to add slime because Play-Doh doesn't go that stretchy. And that Play-Doh that I made over here is not stretchy because Play-Doh isn't supposed to be stretchy. Mostly slime is stretchy. And I'll show you the one that I made. Hopefully it doesn't get ruined. My hands are dirty. It's okay. I'll wipe it off. There, it's a little bit dry, so I'm gonna add more in it. You see there's a little bit of this in there, flour. So I'm gonna put it back in. I'll wash it later. And just add lotion. Lotion. Where's this? Oh, there it is. And that's it for today. We made Play-Doh. See you next time. Bye. I hope you subscribe to my channel and like the video. Bye. Thank you.